Number 1. AGV K1S Street Helmet Matte Black L. FMVSS 218. Advanced Multi-Layer EPS provides superior energy absorption and channels for increased airflow. Aero-tuned ventilation features a ram air intake system for port exhaust spoiler system and EPS channels for an optimal flow-through effect. Number 2. AGV K1S Matte Black Helmet Small. P Racing Spirit for overcoming everyday challenges. K1 South is the road helmet that comes out of AGV's experience in MotoGP, suitable for a range of uses on any route. Number 3. Motorcycle Bluetooth Modular Helmet DOT Approved Dual Visor Full. The Bluetooth motorcycle flip-up helm meets the requirements of DOT FMVSS 218 safety standard. The helmet includes 3 protection layers: anti-collision ABS material shell, high-density elastic cushioning EPS, skin-friendly soft lining and breathable sponge. Take a little time getting used to having head fully enclosed, but feel much safer with it. Number 4. ScorpionEXO R1 Air Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. Multi-layered Ultra TCT shell combines fiberglass, aramid and polyresin fibers which minimize weight while maximizing strength and impact dispersal. Aero-tuned shell sculpture helps reduce aerodynamic drag, improve balance, and maximize mobility. Number 5. ILM Motorcycle Helmets. DOT and ECE safety standards mean the motorcycle helmet performs better in impact attenuation and other tests, greatly improving impact absorption capacity. ABS shell with black EPS liner means the helmet is brilliant in lightweight and strength. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.